Welcome to the watch list. I'm Lindsay Melchak. Jupiter Neurosciences has recently announced a JOTROL manufacturing agreement with Catalent to support its Phase 2A Parkinson's trial. Here with me to talk further about this is the great Chris Rosén, Chairman and CEO of Jupiter Neurosciences. Hello, Chris. It's great to have you with me today.
Hi, Lindsay. Thanks for having me on your show.
Now, this is some pretty substantial news. If we look at Catalent, this is an American multinational company. They have over 50 facilities on 4 continents, and they've supported more than half the products approved by the Food and Drug Administration in the last 10 years. So, first of all, what a partnership. Second of all, what's happening now with your Parkinson's program?
Um, Catalent in Sina Pharma, Biopharm that we have now engaged in the Parkinson's program is part of our business model. We are small biotech, very few people that is employed, so we utilize outside partners and we always try to get the best in the world to join us. Like in China, for example, it is not very well known, but it's Professor Chabel Musa that runs China Biopharma, and he's one of the leading KOLs in the world when it comes to Parkinson's disease clinical trials. Catalent is known as one of the leading manufacturers in the world. And that's how we work. And that's also when we did our phase 1 trial that was financed by National Institute of Aging. The results from that, where we took resveratrol, which is a very well-known compound, one of the most researched in the world, and we actually showed that we could have the increased bioavailability needed to get therapeutic effect of resveratrol. That's never been achieved before. Therefore, we also got the leading scientists in the world in Alzheimer's and in Parkinson's joining our SAB. You can see that from Harvard, MIT, Georgetown, University of Miami, and even Murdoch Children's Research Institute in Melbourne, Australia. So we think that the Parkinson's program, now with the right people behind us, we can accelerate that, probably have the first dosing sometimes in midsummer, and have results in first half of next year.
That all sounds already very exciting, especially kicking off the year with such big news as well. Now, Chris, we know that this is a very saturated market. So, what differentiates Jupiter from any other traditional biotech company?
Biotech traditionally is either zero or a lot. You either fail and you go under, or you sell the company for a couple of $1 billion or more. And we are neither. We will never go under. Our whole science is built based on a nutraceutical API, and therefore we are actually, by request from many areas, putting together a specific product pipeline for the longevity, aging, and health span community. And that is already today have reached out in many areas and want us to sell. They want to buy our product as is today. But we are going to produce a specific product pipeline for that segment and expect to launch it this year. And that's going to be a cash flow positive initiative very quickly for us.
Well, this has been great hearing about all of this and also, what the vision is going forward for Jupiter. So, thank you again for joining us.
Mm. Thank you, Lindsay.
Again, that was Chris Rosén, Chairman and CEO of Jupiter Neurosciences. Jump over to their website at jupiterneurosciences.com. And as always, to be in the know of all your market news, head to stockhouse.com. I'm Lindsay Melchak. We'll see you next time.